Hi everybody, Leslie here. This is a quick what did I get and my first impressions of using it. I wanted for quite some time one of these sort of wax seal sets and I saw a really good deal on Amazon. This is the WeWink Plus wax seal set and this whole kit cost me under £12, so it was £11.89. There's no stamps in this because I did already have some wax seal stamp. I got a load of the little wax beads, it looks like it's a red pen, yeah, like a red metallic, probably comes out copper, and a gold metallic, just says metallic colour pen. I got this little thing and this little thing, and I did check before I bought this that I could get more of just the little spoons on their own if I wanted them to, so obviously this guy just sits on here, candle goes in the bottom. I thought I'd give you my first impressions of what using one of these is like. I'm actually going to swap and put my heatproof mat down just in case I get any spillage. I'm going to go with a colour I don't like so much to start with, just because then if I mess it up, it's not the end of the world. Although I think you can remelt these things. And I think you need about 3 for a standard size seal from what I've seen. So these came with their own little storage box, which is, you know, handy in itself. Reusable once you have used them all up. I already had all these. I already had 4 handles and a load of seals. Some of these might be Craft Studio and some of them are, is it Violet Studios? All of these, I think, have all come from the range in the UK, but I think Violet Studios is owned by Crafters Companion, and these were the ones that came with the sort of wax sticks that you light and you just melt. Yeah, Violet Studio, it says it on the things, and the other one, no, that just says sealing wax. So some of these are Violet Studio ones, and as you can see, they've been used, but I wanted to have a go at using the different ones. So what should we do in blue? Should we do a blue star? Let's do a blue star. So it's been a couple of minutes, and I was just going to say while it finishes melting, I preferred this design to the wooden ones. I've seen somebody demonstrate with one of the ones that this piece was like wooden with like a brass drop-in insert where it actually set on fire. Now I think they might have had a little bit of a draft in their room, so it was blowing the candle flame, or the wick was bent over and it was going to one side, but they actually set the wooden one of these on fire. Now the only bit of this that's wooden is these 2 little handles that are way over at the sides, well away from the flame. The rest of it is a metal. So I preferred this particular design, and it's seems to be the cheaper one anyway. So I'd go and have a look on Amazon and see what you can find. So this just works. You just pour your wax puddle onto something heat-proof, and this is like non-stick as well. And you do just have to leave it on there for a minute or 2, depends how warm or cold your room is. I should have put mine onto my glass mat underneath because it's really cold. Doesn't want to come up yet? Give it a sec. And I think what we'll do, whilst we're waiting for that, is put a few of the greens in. See, there's quite a bit of blue left in there, so I'm going to put the 2 greens in there. And I thought this was quite a nice selection of colours. Some are metallic and some aren't. So we'll leave that melting. Is it going to come up now? Yeah. See, I let it drop off to one side. There we go. A little blue star. And I'm just going to get a little wooden stick. So actually this is going to go nice turquoise. I know that you can not mix it and leave it so that it swirls itself. I thought I'd see if I can make a nice turquoise with this green leaf. And I think the trick is to hold it and make sure it goes on straight. So this one, I sort of let go and you'll see what I mean. It's kind of spread to one side. So it's not dead centre on it, but I think this one will come out better. So we'll give that one a second to dry. And actually most of it's come out my little spoon. Now, yeah, just be careful. This spoon's quite short and it's quite warm here. Obviously the metal will be warm, but this wood part's quite warm. So maybe whilst in between, while we've not got anything in it, I won't put it back on there just to give it a chance to cool down. Let's come off the mat. Yeah. There we go. That's actually worked really well as well. So because I already had seals, I decided I wasn't going to buy one of the kits that had seals in, but there was some quite good value seals or kits that came with seals as well. Let's see. So this is the pens that came with it. So I'm thinking the red on the blue on top of the star. And this is the idea with the pens, that you use metallic marker pen so you can highlight whatever it is you've done on your seal. So that was the red one, sort of a coppery red. Let's try the gold, which is working. Yep, they both worked fine, just literally out the packet. Yeah, that's really nice on my turquoise green that I've made there. So that one's worked nicely. Now, the other thing I bought was this. So that was from a company called WeWink. This was from a company called Craspire, C-R-A-S-P-I-R-E. So Spire at the end with C-R-A on the front. And they had loads of wax, the actual seals and wax beads as well. So these came in their own little box. I didn't buy any patterned seals because, like I said, I had enough to play with already. These are all plain, and this cost me £9.29. So these are plain ones because I've got a plan to use up bits and pieces using plain ones, and I'll show you in my next video. These ones were £9.29 for all four, so that makes them less than £2.50 each, which I didn't think was too bad at all. And like I say, because I already had handles, I've made the assumption that there's only one or two different thread sizes, and I'm correct that they fit on the handles I already had. So they don't come with handles. So these are the handles that came with the Violet Studios. So if you've got any of those, you don't need to buy more handles. I think this was from the range as well, the pink one that came with these more brassy looking ones. The shinier seals I've got, I think, came with this pink handle, fit on that one as well. So they all fit. So it's quite nice that they come in their own little box. So let's do a little square. That might actually sit better and not touch, so it might not get as warm if you sit it on the handle, maybe. I don't know. Like I say, first play, you saw me take it out the wrapping. I'm just going to find something just to drop into it, just because I can. I'm just going to get some tweezers ready so I don't get tempted to poke my finger in. No, I'm going to change my mind and pull that back out. Don't like that. I maybe waited a bit long for that, but we'll see. Craft Lab, this is I do my experiments. I think we can call that a fail. So even though I actually waited, it's just sort of sunk in and gone over the top of it. So that didn't work, but I've got an idea for something else that will. I will feature that in my next video and you will understand why I bought the flat ones. So first impressions, yep, well worth £10, £11, £12 for what I got. So have a really good root round on Amazon if you're interested in one of these, because they're really quite inexpensive to get something new to have a play with, especially if you've already got any wax seals. Obviously, have a search and see what you can find. There's lots of cheap wax seals kits out there as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon in another video and show you what the idea I really had for these. Bye for now.